In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel WooCommerce order. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your WordPress dashboard and how to safely mark an order as cancelled so your store records remain accurate. First, open your WordPress website and sign into your dashboard with a role that has access to WooCommerce, such as administrator or shop manager. You'll be working inside the backend, not on the public storefront. If you manage multiple sites, double-check that you're in the correct dashboard before making any changes. Next, in the left-hand menu, click WooCommerce. This is the hub for everything store-related, from settings to products and order management. Inside WooCommerce, go to the Orders area. This is where all your recent and past orders are listed. You'll see order numbers, customer names, totals, dates, payment methods, and current statuses. Find the specific order you want to cancel. You can scan the list or use the search and filters to narrow by order number, customer, or date, especially if you have a high volume of orders. Once you've located it, click the order to open its details page. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right one by reviewing the items, totals, and payment information, and make sure cancellation is appropriate. For example, if the order has already shipped, you may want to handle it as a return or refund instead of a cancellation. Inside the order, look for the status field. This field controls how WooCommerce treats the order in your system and what notifications might be sent. Open the status options and choose Cancelled. This tells WooCommerce that the order is no longer going to be fulfilled. In most setups, cancelling will also release any stock that was being held for that order, putting those items back into available inventory. Once the status is set to Cancelled, click Update to save your change. Updating is essential. Without it, the new status won't take effect. After the page refreshes, verify that the order now shows as cancelled. Depending on your store's email settings, the customer may receive a cancellation email. Remember, cancelling an order is not the same as issuing a refund. If the customer has already been charged, refunds are a separate action handled through WooCommerce and, when applicable, your payment gateway. That's it. You opened your WordPress site, navigated to WooCommerce, went into Orders, selected the correct order, changed its status to cancelled, and saved your update. Keep these steps in mind, and you'll maintain clean records and clear communication with your customers every time.